Hi students, welcome back to Communicative English 1 and today we continue with the lesson 1.2 When do you have English? And today we learn how to tell the time. First, look at the clock face here. This is our hand and this is minute hand. So how can we ask about the time in English? We can use the question, what time is it? Or what is the time? How can we answer? When the minute hand is on 12, read the time as o'clock. So in this case, we say it's 1 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. When the minute hand is on 3, we say a quarter past. It's a quarter past 2. It's a quarter past 12. When the minute hand is on 6, read the time as half past. It's half past 5. It's half past 9. When the minute hand is on 9, we say a quarter to. It's a quarter to 11. It's a quarter to 1. Now let's practice telling the time. Look at the clock on the wall and you can tell me what time it is. It's 7 o'clock. It's time to wake up. It's a quarter past 7. It's time for breakfast. It's half past 12. It's time to have lunch. It's a quarter to 5. It's time for homework. Now let's learn other cases of telling the time. Look at the clock here. We have two ways to tell the time. First, you can divide the time into two parts. And you can say it's 10:10 or it's 10 past 10. Now let's try this one. It's 10:20 or it's 20 past 10. This one we can say it's 10:35 or it's 25 to 11. This one is 10:50 or it's 10 to 11. Right, now I'm going to distinguish with you AM, PM and o'clock. The term AM we use from midnight until midday and PM we use from midday until midnight. So if we say 7 AM, it means 7 giờ sáng. If we say 7 p.m., it means 7 giờ tối. And remember, we don't say 7 a.m. o'clock or 7 p.m. o'clock at the same time. Ở đây các bạn lưu ý là chúng ta không dùng AM hoặc là PM với o'clock cùng một lúc. Okay, let's look at the timetable here. Answer the question below. What classes do students have? Number 1, at 11:25 on Tuesday. So, 11:25 here. Tuesdays here. So, what class? That is French, right? So, from the question 2 until 6, you can do it at home. Let's move to part 4, listening practice. You will hear Mario asking Gary about their timetable for Friday. What time do they have each class? Write a letter A to H next to each time. Okay, I'm going to play the recording and we can do the yellow first.
Unit 1, Lesson 2, Activity 4.
Hi Maria, did you get your new timetable?
Yes, but I don't know where it is. Can you tell me what we're doing tomorrow?
Sure, let's see. At 10 past 9, we have maths.
Okay, he say at 10 past 9 we have math. So for yellow we match with letter E. For the other, you going to listen at home and I'm going to check when you come back school. So remember our homework. Answer the question from 2 to 6 in past 3 and do the listening exercise in past 4. And that's the end of our lesson today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye and see you later.